Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this toaster that I bought from Target. It's not the nicest one, but in fact it's the cheapest one that was. But hopefully it does a good job, so we'll see. Okay, so the way I like to test my toasters is by toasting bread at every setting. Okay, so I have my bread here, and we're gonna first test it on setting number 1. I'm not gonna use this one. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, that was pretty fast. Let's see. All right, so I put it in one side. I put it on the left side, and this side's not very toasty, but the side that was towards the center is. All right, so now we're gonna try number 2. Here we go. All right, number 2 is ready. This one's kind of burnt. Looks like it's toasting it more. The side that's facing in is getting more burnt than the outside. Tastes good though. All right, setting number 3. I'm gonna toast this one on the right side now. All right, number 3, very toasty inside, not very toasty on the outside. Well, actually, it's pretty toasty on the outside, but it's just more, it's like almost burning on the inside. Now number 4. Number 4 looks a little bit more burnt, but again, one side's pretty good, the other side's pretty burnt. But I think it still tastes good. Okay, now we're gonna do number 5. 5 out of 7. All right. That's hot. Okay, I guess people don't, I guess these toast manufacturers don't care about your toast. Because this one's burnt. I'm not gonna bite this. I'm not gonna bite that one. I don't even want to try 6 or 7, but we're already doing this. 6. Oh my god, is that smoky? Is it? Wait. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Oh no! Okay, that was 6. Rubber. I don't understand why they would put a 6 and a 7 if your toast is gonna come out like this. What's the point of that? All right, let's try number 7. Alrighty. Yeah, I mean, still very burnt, and it's only the part that's inside. Like you know, it's always been. The back side is, you know, it's decent, not that bad. Okay, so another very popular food that people use toasters for are bagels. I love bagels. I'm gonna go ahead and just try one bagel at setting number 3, right? Which I thought was the best. Okay, number 3. Okay. Let's see. Alright, not bad. Pretty good. Yeah, both of them are pretty good. I like it. Like, what do you put on bagels? I always put cream cheese. Yeah, I mean, they both came out pretty well. The inside is, it's warm, but it's soft. Thumbs up for bagels. Right after I eat this bagel, I'm gonna try making a grilled cheese on this thing. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so you need to put the toaster on the side. So let's see, I mean, if it can do this, I'll be happy. I'll say that it's a very good toaster, okay? You get some cheese. I like it to be pretty cheesy. So I'm gonna put a slice on each slice. A slice on each slice. And then you put it in, right? Like that. Put it in cheese side up. It took me a while to figure that out. But make sure you always put the cheese, you know, facing up. Okay, and again, I'm gonna try it on setting number 3. No. Yeah. I'm gonna try setting number 3. Yeah, hopefully it works. So, you put these, okay? Push them in. And I would just wait. Okay. It's starting to smoke. Not a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this because I don't want it to. No. Oh. That was close. Okay. Well, it kind of did it. Kind of worked, right? That was a good catch. Yeah, cheese melted and it fell on top of the other one that got stuck together. So it's very cheesy. Overall, I would say it's a mild success. Okay, so all in all, pretty good toaster for 10 bucks. Not bad, I would buy it. If you need a toaster and you want it pretty cheap, buy this one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, leave a like if you like the video, a dislike if you dislike the video, I guess. Whatever. Alright, I mean, I guess that's it. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Alexa, play Crystal Dolphin.
Crystal Dolphin by Englewood on Amazon Music.